Hi, this is Michael from Canada Mats. I'm here at 887 Great Northern Way in Vancouver, where we installed some beautiful new Duraknot Plus entrance mats, both outdoors at the entrance as well as the elevator lobby and the elevators. So let's take a walk through the building and take a look. This is a project we're really proud of. At Canada Mats, we don't offer standard low-quality rental mats. We create custom, high-end solutions designed specifically for your space. Here, we took the building's logo and created a mat at the main entrance that fits perfectly. Along the exterior of the building, we also installed custom outdoor mats designed to keep people safe while looking stylish. Inside the lobby and elevators, we designed and installed another set of custom-cut mats, each tailored to fit the space perfectly and provide stability and slip resistance. Detail is key in every project. Every mat is carefully cut and finished to create a clean, polished look while reflecting the client's branding. Built for high traffic areas, these mats perform beautifully both indoors and outdoors. We work closely with our clients to deliver fully custom solutions that combine safety, durability, and brand presence. If you're looking for a tailored matting solution, give us a call or send us an email and we'll be happy to help.